Now we will learn one more trick on animation. Create a 2-second long composition. Okay, let's create a circle. Select ellipse tool, press and hold shift and make a circle. Make stroke size 200. We need big stroke. As you see, the anchor point is not in the center. Go to layer, transform, center anchor point in layer content. Okay, choose selection tool. Now let's start to animate. Select on shape and press S to open scale properties. Write 0. Create a keyframe in beginning of composition. Go to first second, increase the scale to 100. Let's drag it to the center. Also, we'll animate the stroke. Open stroke parameters. Go to begin of composition. Put keyframe on 200. Go to first second, make stroke 0. Let's see what we get. Okay. Let's select the shape. Press U on keyboard to open all keyframes. Select all keyframes. Press F9. Go to graph editor. Select this and drag it to the left. Let's see what we get. Very nice. Also, for making a new style, you can duplicate it. Pressing Ctrl D several times. Change the position manually on composition panel. Something like this. Then change beginning frame. Drag it something like 2 frames forward. And drag also this one for 2 frames. We'll got this looking. Also change the size. We can't do it by pressing S because this is the scale of all layer and it has his keyframes. But we can do it by this way. Open content, change scale in this transform settings. Also change scale for another circle. Decrease this. Also let's change colors. One of them red, another maybe green, and we got this finally.